What's up guys, and welcome to Apple Education's Daily Tech Tips. In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to check your iPhone's battery health on the iPhone 13. Now this is the iPhone 13 Pro, and you can do this on any iPhone 13 or any other modern iPhone really. So go to settings, and then you want to scroll on the settings page all the way to battery. Tap on battery, and then on the battery page tap on battery health, and you should see maximum capacity, which is basically your battery health. Now battery health basically determines how much charge your battery can keep, and it deteriorates over time. So if you're buying a second-hand iPhone or if you're buying a used iPhone, then this is something you need to check out for. This particular one is a brand new iPhone 13 Pro, and that's why I have 100% battery health, or basically 100% maximum capacity. And that's basically how to check your iPhone's battery health. Thanks for watching. You can leave your comments and questions down below. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more tips. Until the next one, my name is Chris, and I'll talk to you guys soon.